Hello everyone, welcome to HOWTOEngineering by the research of my audience that throughout my channels a lot. I've seen a keyword of searching for scaffolding type. So in today's video, I am decided to create a video demonstrate of scaffolding to all of you. So there are a type of scaffolding that are used in construction right now, like you see, single scaffolding, double scaffolding, steel, cantilevers, TRESTLE, suspended, patented, and KWIKSTAGE scaffolding. And one by one, I'm gonna demonstrate you the picture of its scaffolding. And another video, I'm gonna show you detail of each one. First is single scaffolding. Single scaffolding is like this. We are using the vertical support only one side and another side. It's connected to wall. And another one is the wall scaffolding. The wall scaffolding is picture like this. They are using support from both sides with playing on top with brace frame. Another one is steel scaffolding. Steel scaffolding often used for supporting slab, and then it has U-shaped bar on the top. Another one is cantilever scaffolding. Cantilever scaffolding is like this. They use it in the slab that cannot just support from ground. It's extended frame from slab and just the vertical support on its frame and connected to wall. Another one is TRESTLE scaffolding. TRESTLE scaffolding, it is shaped like that. It is simple. It is used even in a small construction area. Another one is suspended scaffolding. Suspended scaffolding we often see when the building finishes, and it just usually to maintain the curtain wall or outside the exterior. Another one is patented scaffolding. Patented scaffolding is the shape like this. It includes steel in its scaffolding. Another one is KWIKSTAGE scaffolding, and KWIKSTAGE scaffolding is shaped like this. When I barely see, when I usually see the wall scaffolding in perception more than this. So concluding, scaffolding is used to ensure safety of worker and maintain building worker in construction, and provide some degree of support standing in structure during the construction process. Thank you for watching. His hat, subscribe my channel, and I will show you another video. Thank you.